Hey all you nature files, we're here at the Western Sydney Parklands and we are about to do the Binyang Matta long loop. This is probably a walk for those of you who can't be bothered driving too far and have only a short bit of time on the weekend. This is a 6.7k loop, we're going to go do it together, so let's go check it out. As always, pack those bags, fill those water bottles, lace up those boots, let's get going. So, this bridge crosses over the famous Eastern Creek. If you're a fan of motorsports at all, you would have heard that name before. And if you haven't, well, it's a famous racetrack in Australia for motorsports. Anyways, let's continue. How cool is this? You get to see horses on this walk. Oh, Mr. So this portion of it, we're going to have to cross the road and walk along the streets a bit. It's an urban park, so sometimes you come across this kind of thing. So, along the track, there are these helpful signs which point you in the right direction. So you don't need to see me making all the turns in this one, but I'll give you this one for free. So we re-enter the park here. So it started to rain, but not like we can suddenly get back to the car without walking. So that was the Binyang Matta track, the long loop. There's also a short loop which you can do as well if you're not looking for a big walk and you just want to take it easy. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that. As you can see, it was a fairly flat walk. You did have to cross some big roads, but you're an adult and I think you can handle that. Anyways, check it out for yourself if you're looking for something easy to do on a weekend and you don't have much time. Also a great track if you love birds. There's a ton of bird life. And I also saw a kangaroo, so if you have visitors from overseas and you're looking for kangaroos, you might spot some here in the early morning or evening. Anyways, hope you enjoyed that. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of nature, it'll take care of you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.